I was reading the papers this morning, and one of the narratives that I see, and it's in fact it's writ large as headlines in many of the papers, is "As a nation we let our guard down." That's gotten right up my nose. I do not believe as a nation we have let our guard down. I think as a nation we have done absolutely everything we can. We have rolled out a fantastic vaccine programme. We have taken the vaccine in our droves, and we have had the longest level of restrictions in Europe. So don't give me that for a start. But my view is
I'm always amazed at the number of people who still wear masks in supermarkets. Like, it's the odd person who doesn't. Most people are doing the right thing.
I think we need to applaud the Irish people. But a few things. I think I could sum up in tiny lines what I think. Open everything. Open everything. Give us the booster jabs. Give us the vaccine certs. Keep them in place. It's a good idea, and it supports vaccination occurring. Antigen test the hell out of us, and stop shaming people. The immunity is waning. The immunity is waning from the early vaccination rounds. It happened in Israel as well. We knew this was coming.
Do we know that? Because some experts say the science is kind of dubious on this.
We saw exactly this in Israel. A very similar trajectory that they suppressed cases very effectively, and then they started to rise, and then they boosted everything and they suppressed them again. Stop shaming people. Give us the vaccines. Give us the vaccine certs. Use antigen testing, for the love of God, and let us get on with our lives. Open the works. Open the nightclubs. Open everything.
I agree about the vaccine certs. But if we are going to do that, we have to implement it. We actually have to, because it's sketchy at the moment, vaccine certs.
No, and I'm not just saying this. I haven't been anywhere that they haven't looked for it. I haven't been in a restaurant. Well, maybe the cinema.
Yeah,
I've been to the cinema twice.
I've been to the cinema.
No, actually, I was asked for it.
I wasn't asked. I think it's sketchy. I think in restaurants are typically quite good, but I think in other areas it's not good. And I actually agree. I think we should use the vaccine cert. And I'm sorry, if you haven't been vaccinated, well then,
94% of the adult population have had at least one jab, which means that they're open to being vaccinated. I don't know if we'll get much higher than that. But anyway, but also antigen test us. Antigen test us to allow us to do things if there's an issue around particularly overcrowded things like nightclubs. But give us back our lives. I don't want to hear another word about the prolonging of restrictions. I don't really count the vaccine cert, to be honest, Shane, as a restriction. I think that's a given. It's fine.
It's like having to wear a mask on
It's like having to show your age ID to get a drink. It's fine. But
jeez,
don't
it's been a while since anyone asked me for that. But
I get asked
fair
all
enough.
the time. No, I'm messing. That's what I think. What about you?
I agree. I think vaccine. I think the COVID cert is the vaccination cert is the way out of this. And I'm sorry. I know people would say, "Oh, you're discriminating against people who haven't been vaccinated." I'm sorry, but that's where we're at the moment. I think the idea of taking a step back on reopening, I just think after 20 months, I don't think is tenable with 90+% of the population vaccinated. Look, let us know what you think.